Hello everyone. I want to make a quick review of these Wild Planet sardines with water and sea salt. Now, I think I tried these a couple of years ago, but I really don't remember. Let's take a look. They have kind of a fancy package, as you can see. Most of the sardine cases don't kind of have a whole cardboard little box, so let's get them out of here and take a look. It's kind of a thick can there. Alright, so let's take a look. And there's a bunch of liquid to drain there, so let's get that out. Oh, these are big. There's only 3 in total, but man, they look good. There's a try here. These tend to be the kind where sometimes the bones can be a little large and it can gross people out. Even I can sometimes get grossed out, for example, if there's a huge spine or something like that. So I usually recommend to not break these apart, because as you kind of see the bones, you can get grossed out. So just take a bite and see how it goes. Man, this is good. It's obviously very meaty because it's so big. And even though it's so large, I'm not really feeling or tasting any bones. It's very, very smooth. Since it's only water with sea salt, it has a very simple, very nice taste. Just a light, salty taste, and you can taste the fish very well. It's obviously very filling because of that as well. These are nice. There's a hole in there. It's just like the inside of where the fish's stomach was. I'm gonna eat from the other side. I want to see what's in there. It doesn't matter. All in all, yeah, since these are not really flavored with anything but salt, they have a very simple, very good, just salty fish taste. Incredibly filling. And I really feel like usually with sardines this size, you can feel the crunch of the bones and things like that a lot more. I don't notice any bones whatsoever. So that's it, three sardines, and they are really beefy. So I definitely recommend these. I tend to be a fan of smaller sardines, but these really are excellent. They'd be perfect for some sort of sandwich or like a little pita pocket. It'd be absolutely excellent. So I guess that's all I really have to say about these. There's really nothing particularly special, no particular special seasoning. Just simple, Large and good. I'll definitely get these again. I wonder if this brand has some flavored options as well, because it's really good sardine. Like, usually the large ones, I'm not as big of a fan of these big ones. Well, and of course it fell. Okay. Alright, I think this pretty much concludes the review. As I try these out, I think you'll like them. So far, the only ones I haven't really liked are the beach cliff mustard sardines, but man, go for these. Let me know how you like them.